What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a 2025 Ram 1500 RHO. Well, what are we going to be doing to this bad boy? Well, we are going to be doing some Vossen HF6-5 wheels in gloss black in 20x10, wrapped in 35-inch Nitto Ridge grappler tires. After the wheel and tire package has been mounted and balanced, we are going to be installing a MRT Extreme mid-pipe and a JB4 tuner. So let's hop on in the RHO, get it back to the shop, and let's start wrenching. And just like that, guys, the RHO is out of the shop, and man, I must say, Vossen killed it with this split spoke design because I think it looks killer on this RHO. And we have the wheels wrapped in the 35-inch Nitto Ridge grappler tires. But before we end this video, guys, we have one last thing that I want to show you. We have the MRT Extreme mid-pipe. And I think it's the only way to really show you guys is to give you guys a little sound, couple revs, maybe even a pull, and then we'll finish off the video right there. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed hearing the RHO with the MRT Extreme mid-pipe and checking out these Vossen HF6-5 wheels in gloss black wrapped in 35-inch Nitto Ridge grappler tires. But as always, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you think about this RHO and maybe how you would build your RHO. And last but not least, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.